If we come back and win this game, I'll start you both the rest of the season. We're only down 13 points. That first half was my fault. Forget about it, you're good. I just won't shoot this half. We need you to get hot today. I don't know, bro. It's gonna happen, be ready. He's the best scorer I've ever seen. Hey, good shot, son. Yup, this is your time. I don't know how to stop him. Yup, right back at him. Yup, keep going, bro. My son is actually playing good right now. Bro, hit one more, we go up by 3. Hey, we're up 3 points now. No more turnovers or missed shots. That can't happen right now.